Okay. This is Ellie, Anthony's sister. Hi guys. He probably won't even post this.
Tell you that you're a good bodyguard today.
Rare video of Anthony feeding the dog. God, I'm ugly.
A big ass car.
He's not gonna post this, huh?
I think he is.
Alright, so we're in McDonald's right now, watching Patty on his break and shit. Yeah. As you see, we're in Walmart shopping.
We out here.
Marcus, your vlog.
It's all happened. What's good? First control he ever had. Look at, he's like trying not to. It's good. Don't drop it.
Oh god. Imagine just drop it really hard.
Like shatters and shit. Stop, bro. Hitting in the dark, cause I'm fucking scared. Scared of the man, might come out the closet. Bitch, not gay, but I hit it once or twice. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, fuck, I don't know.
Big ass pimple on my forehead. Good morning. Hey guys, it's Tuesday. It's about 7:47 right now in the morning. I'm in front of Black's house. We're about to go shooting. Yeah, we're gonna go shooting for a bit there later today. Meet up with Carla, go look at a new house, go to the movies, go hang out, do a business phone call, and that's all I have planned for today. It seems like a lot, but I feel like it's not gonna be much. But right now we're gonna go shooting for about 3 hours, so yeah, we're gonna go right now, buy some rounds. Yeah, Patty in the vlog.
Hey vlog. Come on. Ready? Patty, you geesing. Did you get it when it hit? Put holes up in that bitch. Just put them in, put 4 of them in, and then cock it. Put another one. It's like he's hot now, like sweating. Running up that hill got me fucked up.
Right. Alright.
When you want to shoot, you gotta take that, push that little button. Yeah, take the safety off. What? You're still recording.
Chill.
You know that?
Yeah, I was recording myself shooting for the first time. Well, second time, but first time on camera. That was lit.
What are you gonna do? We're waiting for Patty's big ass. Okay? Alright. That's how we do it. America. Hell yeah. My dude.
Hey guys, remember I told you guys there'd be an unboxing It's kind of here already. Can't see my name is on there. And my address, even though everyone knows where I live. They spelled my name wrong. No, I didn't. I lied. Ready? Cut it.
You know you can just rip it.
But there's a reason you bring a knife down to do the unboxing.
Unnecessary. I can't wait.
Got her a book. She likes to read. That one's nice. I bought
This is so
you camera people know what this is, a U-hook. I call them U-hooks, that's not what they're called, I did. But I bought this for the
This is a lot of fuck.
Okay? Now, why is this one in a separate package? This one you need a knife for.
No, you just...
I know, I'm doing that already. Okay. We're gonna... This is what I'm most excited for, honestly. I hope I have batteries in this house somewhere. Audio's gonna get so much better in the next clip. So this is it. This is the shotgun mic. And then here's a little wind thing for the mouth so it doesn't look like a dildo. Skinny little dildo. So let's try it on. Oh, I can't get this on. Alright, next clip you see, this should be on already, okay? So, cutting here. There we go.
So little. Why is there so many of these?
One in the middle. It's a fine. Come on, come on.
Oh, I'm trying to fix your table.
Alright. Hey guys. I don't know if you guys can tell a difference with the audio, but I'm using the new microphone now. It is interesting. I don't know how it works just yet. Like, I'm not professional with it. But it is on. I'm sorry that today's part of the... or Tuesday's part of the vlog was a little all over the place. I went shooting. We opened some packages, and that's about it for today. Maybe Thursday we're doing more stuff, so Monday, Wednesday we're not having much, Sunday not much, but Thursday hopefully something because I'm not working. Maybe I might shoot a little bit of a part tomorrow before work because I go to work from 12 to 8, so I'm basically gone all day. But maybe in the morning I'll do a little clip of something. I'll maybe go do something. Then Friday I'll maybe look for some footage, Saturday I'll look for some footage, and again, the vlogs are going to be going up on Mondays from now on. I know I said Sundays on the first update video, but it just turns out easier to go on Mondays, especially since the first one went on Monday, so that they're all a week apart exactly. And I hope you guys enjoyed today's part of the vlog. It was interesting and fun to shoot. I'm so excited for my new stuff. I'm excited for this mostly. And I probably shouldn't have ran, but I'm excited for this guy. Camera right here, and you know, if you're into film, you know about all this. So yeah, thank you for watching this part. See you tomorrow in the morning, maybe. Yeah, I don't know. Good morning, Thursday, Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Alright guys, I'm in the car right now, about to go get some breakfast from Jack. This shirt fits a little weird. It's okay though. It is 9:38 right now. So yeah, we're about to just right over to Jack. I hope you can hear the difference in the mic quality. The audio sounds a lot better when I listen to it on the camera, so I haven't like put anything in editing. So once I do, I'll tell you how it sounds. So yeah, let's go get breakfast. Hi, how are you? Yeah, can I get a number 26?
What kind of drink?
Can I get an iced coffee?
What size and what flavor?
Regular size and mocha.
Okay.
That'll be all.
Alrighty, 619 at the window. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Alrighty, you are set.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Thank you.
You too. I totally forgot I can't use that footage. I have to either mute it out or just bleep it just because I have my music playing in the background. Oh, dick. I mean, oh, snap, bro. Fudge. Alright, well, I guess you're not gonna hear all that footage, but... oh, man, that sucks. Alright, we're going home now. I'm gonna go eat. Let's go grub at home. I'll show you guys what I got. This is my average breakfast. I get the loaded breakfast sandwich from Jack in the Box. I don't always get it as a combo, but today I got it with a hash brown, potato, and an iced coffee. Quite frankly, it tastes great. More bills, man. All bills. Life is about bills, man. Ooh, looking like a beast today. Check it out. That's what my breakfast is consisting of. That, and me enjoying it, and Roxy watching me. Alright, I'll see you guys after. I'll see you guys tomorrow maybe, because I'm going to work right after this, and I'm going to be there from 12 to 8 today, so my day's gone. And it's only 10 something right now, so I'm going to enjoy my breakfast, enjoy some YouTube, some Unbox Therapy. You guys know who that is. He's famous. He's cool. My inspiration. Not really. I don't want to do unboxing, but he's cool, dude. He's pretty cool. Yeah, let's just, I guess, see you guys in the next vlog, next video, next clip.
Hi, Jorge.
Hola,
pinche cabrones.
I know you told me to come on Sunday, but you know we got.
Hello?
Vitamin C.
It's his doctor's office. We're fucking with you.
Fucking hocus pocus. That ass. So I listen to some dope ass music, start smacking the fuck out of people.
Feel the music.
Feel it in your face. Oh, and that's why I brought my able. I wanna die. Oh fuck, what time does Sam close?
Alright, so right now, I just finished doing the oil changes, so this shirt's all oily and shit on the car and in the dogs. He's smelling somebody. Hey, Roxy. We're both smelling people right now. Hey. You're not as hyper right now. The fuck is this big ass nigga eating? Anyways, that's basically it for tonight. Yeah, I don't know. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Alright guys, it is currently Tuesday morning. I'm making this clip for the last week's vlog. This is just to say I'm sorry that there wasn't much footage. I'm sorry I didn't end the vlog properly, but thank you for watching this video. I appreciate it. Next week the video should be up scheduled right on time. I'll start working on it, start getting some content. Thursday I'm going to get some tattoos. I'm excited. Bring you guys along with me. And also there's more, I'll talk about this in next week's vlog. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'm sorry the video came up really late. I apologize. Thank you.
Sado.